students. Good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn about a new concept, big and small. So look here, big and small. Repeat with me, big and small. Okay, what is the meaning of big? Big means bada, small means chota. Big means bada, small means chota. So we have many other examples. So look here, we have these two toys. We have these two toys. This one is car and this one is small car. This one is big and this one is small. And other example, these are two glass. This one is big and this one is small. This one is big glass in size and this one is small glass in size. Next, these are two plates. This one is small and this one is big. This one is big and this one is small. Next example, these are two baskets. This one is small and this one is big. This one is big basket and this one is small basket. These are two tags. This one is big and this is small. These are toys. This one is big and this one is small. This one is big. We will put big thing here. Sorry, this one is big. We will put there. And this one is small. We will put there. Next, I have two glass. This one is big. Put here and small. Put here. Next, these are two plates. This one is small and this one is big. We will keep it big plate here and then we will small plate here. Next, I have two baskets. This one is small and this one is big. This one is small and this one is big. Big basket we will put here and small basket we will put here. Now we will play this game at home also. You will search all the things which one is big and which one is small and tell your parents that mama, this is big thing and this one is small. You will learn very easy concept, big and small. Big and small. Thank you so much. Stay home, save lives. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.